Hello, Matt Graves. I decided to make this video because there are a few reasons. One, I can't stop looking at this photo of you. I think you look really sexy with those glasses, in that shirt, and holding that glass. I hope there's vodka in that glass. You know I'm Russian. Well, anyways, I want to thank you for picking me among all those wonderful Russian women on the internet, and I would also like to thank Chase, your best friend, for paying me to fly to Austin, Texas, and I can't wait to spend my life with you and work for you at Thundercloud Subs. I really can't wait for that. I can be a crazy woman for you, crazy in a good way. You see, I got my belly button pierced, I got a little green diamond, I can do belly dance like Shakira. I can be sexy, I can be fiery. Also, I clean, I cook, and I will be a wonderful woman for you. So thank you again. You can respond with the video. Oh, and I'm coming back. I'm not back, sorry, my English is not very good, so I have problems with grammar and words. You'll be picking me on January 26th at Austin, Texas Municipal Airport. So I hope to hear back from you before we meet in person. Thank you.